guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Nupur Mehtani. आपकी अपनी दोस्त on a mission of bringing smiles to your faces.
Books have always been my best friend since I was in standard second. I remember my first book I ever purchased was my favorite cartoon character storybook, and from then there was no looking back. From Arabian Nights to ancient history books, from murder mysteries to self motivating books, I have experienced all those phases in my life. So today I am here to share something related to my interest.
So guys, today I'm here to share two of my all-time favorite books with you guys, which in literal terms helped me develop and upgrade myself, and I think it is very important to suggest you guys to read these books as well. So without beating around the bush, let's just jump in. So the first book I want to speak about is The Art of Being a Brilliant Teenager. So the first thing that attracts its readers is its creativity. आप कोई भी पेज खोल लो, it is very creative, it is very colorful, and I seriously love this thing about it. It is not just like any of those typical kind of books. Its font, its the way it expresses its context is very beautiful. And second thing I like about this book is कि ये basically chapters वाला normal book नहीं है. In fact, this book states many random points and facts in a creative way, and it also has many activities which will help you develop yourself. Some of its quotes or points you can say which I like, and I think I should be sharing it with you guys, that are soon is not as good as now. It simply means हमारी बहुत पुरानी हिंदी की कहावत कल करे सो आज करे सो अब. The importance of doing the things at right time. It states that. And the second quote which I would love to share with you guys is fall the 7 times but get up at 8th. And that simply means you should never give up. And something I would like to read out for you guys is don't spend your life trying to get noticed. Instead, spend it bettering yourself, then people will notice. I seriously believe in this. Actually, I relate to this a lot because prior reading this book, I used to be like, "Nee, yaar, I want to get noticed, so I'll do what people think me to do." But nee, what I feel is you should be unique, and then you will get noticed yourself. And so I totally relate to this fact, and I really suggest every teenager to please read this book. Not only teenagers but young adults to read this book. This book will really help you develop yourself and upgrade yourself. Let's take a moment and appreciate my bookmark. ये मैंने खुद ने बनाया है. इतनी perfect cutting मैं स्कूल में किया करती थी, but अभी मैंने संभाल के रखी है. So without wasting any time, let's just jump in for my second book. And my second book is Life's Amazing Secret by Gaur Gopal Das. I have been following Gaur Gopal Das from a very long time, and let me tell you guys, I admire what he speaks. His perils of advice is something I always love to listen. YouTube पे या Instagram पे, his IGTV, his reels, I am in love with them because the advices he gives is amazing. So if you haven't read this book, please go check that out because it gives you some really important life lessons. Basically, this book is divided into 4 parts. That is your personal life, your relationships, your professional life, and your contribution to society. And you will enjoy reading this book. And some of my life learning lessons which I would love to share with you guys are, first and foremost things, happiness does not resides in possessions, it resides in yourself. And I would love to stress on it, happiness resides in yourself, because जब तक आप खुद खुश नहीं होगे, आपके surroundings would look dull, very upsetting, very depressing. So if you are happy, your surrounding is happy and everything is happy, I personally believe. So this was something I actually apply in my real life, and that is the reason I share it with you guys. There are many more such. And second life learning lesson I would like to share with you guys is silence presence is more important than million words. This actually statement is in itself a big lesson because your presence itself matters a lot for many people. even if you don't advise them, even if you're just listening to their problems, that works best for you. चाहे कोई भी हो, योर फैमिली मेम्बर और योर फ्रेंड, अगर वो किसी भी प्रॉब्लम में है, यू शुड बी देयर टू हेल्प देम आउट. भले आप उन्हें कुछ ज़्यादा मत हेल्प कीजिए, बट योर प्रेजेंस, दे नो कोई है मेरे साथ. सो यू नो, वो जो एक स्ट्रेस लेवल होता है वो डेफिनेटली थोड़ा कम हो जाता है. एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट लाइफ लेसन, दैट इज लिविंग योर लाइफ विथ gratitude. I really don't want to disclose any of other life lessons with you guys, but let me tell you, this man is amazing, really amazing. He speaks so well, and his life lesson, I relate to every word of his. His life lessons resonate with me, and I guess it resonates with everybody out there. And I just want to say, if you haven't read this book, I recommend, please invest in this. मैं ज़्यादा डिटेल में इसके बारे में नहीं बताऊँगी. I won't give you the spoilers, but I just want to recommend, please go and read this book. This will definitely change the way you think and change the way you lead your life, because as he says, we are the authors of our own life story. On this note, I would like to end this video here itself, and I hope आप सबको मेरा ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो. And if you did enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to comment down below. Just tell me your views about these books. And if you have something else to recommend me, please do let me know in the comment section down below. I'll definitely read your recommendations and will read those books as well. So tab tak ke liye, bye bye, take care, see you, stay happy, stay safe. Nupur Mehtani signing off with love. Bye.